Good morning, children. Welcome you all to today's science class. Today we will start with our new lesson, Houses and Building Materials. Name of the lesson is Houses and Building Materials. Everybody knows about houses. Everybody have their house where they are living. Children, can you tell me what is the difference between a house and a home is? Well, we use noun house to refers to a building, and we use home in a more personal and emotional way to refers to where someone lives. We does not usually use the noun home to any building. A home is a place where you are comfortable. It does not matter whether your home is outside in nature or in an apartment, as long as your heart is there. A home is a place in which a person resides, and house is simply any building. Okay, I hope you understood the difference between a home and a house. Now, in this lesson, we are going to study about the topics like types of houses according to climate, budget means the money available to make houses, materials required for making houses, and a good house means some properties of good house. These are the topics we are going to study in this lesson. In previous year, we already studied about some houses. So, okay, here some picture of houses are shown. The first picture is of mud house. It is temporary type of house and it is made up of mud, straw, bamboo, etc. Second picture is of multi-storied building. It is permanent house and there are so many floors in such buildings and people are living there. Okay, third picture is of wooden house. Such type of house found in cold places. It is made up of wood and other natural material. This picture is of stilt house. Stilt means the wooden pillars. Such type of houses found in the areas where heavy rainfall is occur, and this type of houses built on wooden pillars 3 to 4 feet above the ground. Next picture is of igloo. This is made up of snow and it is temporary house. The people called Eskimo people making these houses. Next picture, this picture is of tent house. It is temporary house and it provided temporary shelter to people. Tent houses oftenly used in emergencies such as war, earthquakes and fire. Next picture is of caravan or it is also called moving house. It is actually large covered vehicle and the people can live or spend their time or holidays in it. Okay, and this picture is of boat house. It is also called shikara in Kashmir. It is float on water and it is temporary house and it is made up of wood. Okay, now move to the next topic, types of houses. There are main two types of houses, permanent houses and temporary houses, but mainly three factors determine the type of houses to be built. So these factors are climate, material easily available in that place, and the budget means money to spend for building a house. So first of all, we will see climate. There are different types of climate in India, like cold climate, hot climate and humid climate. According to climate, people build their houses. In cold climate, uh, what kind of houses are there? So we will study about this. In cold places like Kashmir, some houses are built on slope and some houses are built in water. Okay, in village of Kashmir, houses are made up of stone and mud. And wooden houses are also very common there. These houses have sloping roof. The houses in cold climatic region having sloping roof. In Kashmir, heavy rainfall and snowfall occur. Hence, the houses having sloping roof there, so that the rainwater and snow can fall down easily. Some houses have fireplaces even to keep the houses warm. Thick walls, wooden floors and wooden ceiling protect the people from cold, rain and snow. The main tourist attraction in Srinagar is houseboat. You can see in the picture, the houseboat is there. These are floating house. And in Kashmir, you can see such kind of houses in Dal Lake. And these houses are made up of wood. Okay, now we will see about the houses in hot climate. Like Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a desert area and very hot and dry climate is there and very little rainfall is there. So people of Rajasthan make mud houses. You can see in the picture when mud house is there, the wall of the house is very thick and plastered with mud and roof of the house is made up of thorny leaves. The thick mud wall do not allow the external heat to come inside and internal heat to escape, so that these houses are cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Okay, now what type of houses people build in hot and humid climate? Example of hot and humid climate is Assam. The places like Assam receive plenty of rainfall during monsoon, so that the people build the stilt houses there. What is the stilt means? Stilt means wooden pillars. These houses are made up of wooden platform and raised 4 to 5 feet above the ground or on wooden pillars. And this saves people from flood water. Sloping roof facilitate rainwater to slide down easily. You can see the stilt house here. The house is made on the pillars. Okay, now and sloping roof help to slide down the rainwater easily. Now we will see about some material required for making houses. So temporary houses are made up of mud, bamboo, straw and canvas, leaves, snow. These are the material used to make temporary kind of houses. These houses do not last for long. It is built for a short period of time. Okay, now permanent houses. The material required to build permanent houses are stone, bricks, cement, iron rod and glass, steel rods and marbles. These are the material used to make permanent houses, and these houses last longer. Okay, one more. Let's have a recap. The temporary houses made up of the material like mud. You can see in the picture mud, bamboo, straw, canvas, leaves, snow. These are the material used to make temporary houses, and these houses do not last for long. And permanent houses are made up of stone, bricks, cement, iron, glass, steel, and marble. And these all materials are used to make permanent houses. And these permanent houses last longer. Okay, that's all for the today, children. Have a good day.